How to create account on WeCash. Are you guys facing issue to create account on WeCash application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create account on WeCash, first of all, open WeCash app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to create account on WeCash app, then this video might help you out. So once you open the app, you can see this option for sign in with Google or sign in as guest. In order to create your account, just simply select the first option, sign in with Google account. As soon as you select it, you need to write down your registered Google email address and password. After you write it down, you'll be able to create an account easily. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to create an account on WeCash app. And that's it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.